Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to remove followers from your Strava account. Let's jump right into it. First, open your Strava application on your device. Once the app loads up, you'll see your main feed where all your activities and updates from people you follow typically appear. This is your starting point for accessing your profile settings and managing your followers. Now, take a look at the top of your screen. You'll see your profile icon there. It's usually a small circular image that represents your account. Go ahead and click on your profile icon. This will take you directly to your personal profile page where you can view your activities, stats, and manage various aspects of your account, including who follows you. Once you're on your profile page, look for the section that shows your followers. You'll see an option labeled Followers. Click on this to open up your complete followers list. This section displays everyone who's currently following your Strava activities, allowing you to see who has access to your public posts and workout data. Now you'll see a list of all the people who are following you. Scroll through this list and find the specific follower you want to remove. Take your time here to make sure you're selecting the right person, especially if you have a lot of followers. Once you've identified the follower you want to remove, click on their profile to open it up. After clicking on their profile, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll notice three dots there, which is the menu icon. Click on these three dots to reveal additional options for managing this connection. From the menu that appears, you'll see an option that says Remove from Followers. Click on this option. This action will immediately remove that person from your followers list, meaning they'll no longer see your activities in their feed or have access to your public workout information. And that's it. You've successfully removed a follower from your Strava account. The process is quick and straightforward, giving you complete control over who can follow your fitness journey. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.